Bill Withers, voice of resilience. In the heart of the civil rights era, the music of Bill Withers emerged as a powerful force for change. Born in 1938 in West Virginia, Withers faced the challenges of poverty and discrimination, ultimately finding solace in music. His unique blend of soul and folk resonated deeply, capturing the struggles and aspirations of African Americans during a turbulent time. Key songs like Ain't No Sunshine and Lean on Me became anthems of resilience, bringing messages of hope and unity to a generation yearning for justice. Lean on Me specifically encourages community support and togetherness, reminding listeners that they are not alone in their struggles. Withers' ability to articulate complex emotions and experiences through simple yet profound lyrics made his work accessible to all. His impact extended beyond music. He inspired movements and individuals to seek solidarity in the fight against inequality. Bill Withers' legacy is one of empowerment, reminding us that music can serve as a catalyst for social change. Today, his messages continue to resonate, reminding us of the strength found in unity and the enduring power of soulful expression. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Watch my next video.